Hey, how's everyone doing? I shot a few videos on my Ford Focus. I did an engine swap on it, and shortly after that, I wrecked the car, so I had to put a new front end on it. So I'm doing a 2018 ST front end. This is the front bumper cover here. It comes in primer. You can get this on eBay for $500. It comes with the grill and the inserts for the fog lights. Doesn't come with the fog lights. Doesn't come with the hood emblem. Does come with the lower valance grill, and it comes with the ST badge. I'll shoot another video on that once we get the car together. Uh, Here's the hood that I went with. I got this on eBay also. I forget the seller, but it's a fiberglass hood for the 2015 through 18 Ford Focus. I'm just finishing up taping up the vents here. They've got metal vents, so just taping those up now. It's got some other hood vents here. It's about 12:30 at night, so I don't have any daylight coming through the one window in my garage here, but figured you guys would like to see a short video on this hood and that front bumper cover, and then I'll shoot another video, when I'm putting the car together. I like everything about the hood. I just wish they didn't have that middle part here. This part here that kind of, I think if they would have just had the vents here, the cowl, and the vents there, then it would have looked a lot better. But, you know, it was the cheapest and best looking hood that I found on eBay. This hood was $344 with $157 and shipping. Came to $500 for the hood altogether. When they shipped it, it did come with a big hole in the box, and this was the damage here. If you guys can see that, kind of chipped the back side here of the hood. And it kind of put a little bit of a scratch there on the hood. And the other thing about the hood is, I'm guessing this is for nitrous ports or something like that. Nitrous purge. But it kind of looks like a battery. And that kind of protrudes out of the hood there. So, you guys can see that. The front bumper cover comes in primer. The hood comes in gel coat. So there's there's really not a whole lot to fix on there, but I will fix the pinhole. I had some putty. I don't know where it went. Oh, here it is. So I'm going to use this 3M Bondo glazing putty. It's good for fiberglass. Right there, boom. Use on metal, wood, fiberglass, and sanded primer and paint. So, found this in the garage. It's still good and moist and moving around pretty good. So, I got some activator in the front garage, and I'll go ahead and fill that little pinhole there. And I don't think I'm going to try to sand that down at all. I'm just going to leave it as it is because I don't have any gel coat and I don't want to sand through this gel coat. So I'll just kind of leave that how it is. And tomorrow, when I get some spare time after work, I'll come in and wipe these down real good and clean them and hit it with some prep sol. And I don't have anywhere to hang it up here in the rafters. So I may flip it upside down and paint the bottom first and then paint the top. Not sure yet, but anyhow, this is a quick little video on a ST conversion on a 2014 Ford Focus SE 5-speed. So this is Roadside Guy. I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like, go ahead and hit the like button there, subscribe, and drop a comment. See you guys next time. Bye.